Guys.
Oi, full tripod and all, no. Gorilla grip we got off, Noda. They put my watch on the place.
Why? You don't have hand. You got it given.
I
Oh
literally
shit.
can't put it. तेरी गलियों में
We are going to the protest. We've come to the boss house. Talabadi. Wives.
They are not happy at all to see me.
Hi guys. Say hi to Nishi. My life's hard.
Oh, what is that? Yeah.
Vloggy vlog. Is it recording?
No.
This is
We'll go.
Yeah.
Water bottle no need, no?
Only
Bag
water.
no need.
Ah.
Literally we'll go.
Yeah.
give some to ring now though.
Go get it.
I thought I'll carry this.
I drank like some 10 glasses of that water, bro, one day. Oh, yo, I will not forget.
My life is hard. No.
When? No, only life.
Life is hard, so I'm harder.
But, oh, dyslexic at its peak, bro.
Okay, I'm taking this.
Bro took the hint. Super.
Where can I get a shirt like this?
Online. DJI.
DJI.
That guy went 450k
K.
followers from 5k.
Why?
He started with 5k.
Bro's building his career in protest.
Bro, some people started dating and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if we were in Delhi, it would have been mad fun.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, they were like,
Would you
bro,
go
the
to-
water cannons is so hot. All my attendance is sinking.
I'm done with college. I'm done. Come this
Where's
side.
your degree?
It'll come September.
What the fuck? How did it clear?
Kill me, 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 kill me.
Where are we going?
Your mom's house.
Don't pause that.
കടയിലേക്ക് തൈര് പാപ്പയെന്ന് മയില്.
Bro, kids watch the vlog.
Oh, sorry.
Yesterday night, it was Anna's birthday. All the people were drinking and all. Nice people only, but like I didn't. Too many
school's
people
here.
to go.
College people from my
His
college.
college.
My school's behind. Have you seen it? St. Francis Xavier.
Where you went?
St.
To
Francis
to
Xavier.
drink?
No, in his house only.
When his house?
But I was sitting on.
I didn't know it was
okay.
his birthday.
Yeah.
I said hi.
Who?
Happy birthday, Arna, if you're watching this. I was talking to you that day, but I didn't wish you.
Happy birthday, Annu.
Annu,
Annu.
girl.
Bro, you should do stream, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Live stream you should do, bro.
Stream and all is too much, bro. Stream and all is...
There's nothing you can't do, bitch.
I not said you
If I wanted to be in the NBA, I'd be in NBA.
That's so true,
Bro,
That is so
you know I'm in the order after like 4 years.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. What to do?
But that's so true. If you put your mind at something, you can achieve it. There's nothing that is impossible.
Falling out.
He
Bye.
did no athletics one week and he called himself Usain Bolt.
Guys,
That vlog
That's
didn't
the
come
thing
out
about
only.
life.
Yeah.
Tell when was it shot?
When was it, dude? 1 year ago. No, April or something near
2
exam
months
time.
ago.
April it was. April.
Today is July.
guys,
Day
if
after
this video
tomorrow,
gets,
this month will get over.
if this video gets 20 likes, I'll drop my...
Bro, my video, why will you drop that?
I'll drop my vlog.
I'm pretty
If
sure
this
he's not
gets
even reviewed
25 vlogs.
I saw the vlog.
25 vlogs and I like your vlog.
Some bad software.
25 clips and I like 25 likes and I'll post my vlog.
That you had you
Bro, some bad software he's using, okay?
Dude, I'm using After Effects. Neil doesn't know how to operate. That's why
It's
she's
not
saying use
about that,
Canva.
okay? It's like, it's so like lagging. To see one clip, it'll take 10 minutes.
They at least have
It didn't take
laptops.
that long.
I use my phone to edit the videos. I'm ungrateful because laptop you're like using and complaining.
My mood.
That to Mac. What do you use?
I use Asus.
Asus. iPhone 15.
Yeah, it is setting up.
எங்க கோட்டை இல்ல வந்தா வேட்டை ஒரு
It wasn't one cockroach. Do you know how many cockroaches were there? Alright.
माटी रूटे निकल निकल चलते रे 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 निकल निकल डे किलंबு किलंबु
ड्यूटी के लेकर 12 घंटा ड्यूटी काम करवाने पड़ता है उधर का वो सिस्टम थोड़ा दिक्कत है जैसे पढ़ाई का मामला में मैं एक भी क्लास स्कूल नहीं गया हूँ क्योंकि मेरा आज
So sweet actually.
Guys, Metro. My second time. You? I can't use the camera, but I can use the phone.
When I was in 11th or 12th, I was going to the metro station and they just stopped me and they were like, Anna, drinks not allowed, you're not allowed to get in.
'Cause you
And
were
I
drunk.
had nothing on me. No, I wasn't even drunk.
You drunk? Oh, you weren't drunk. You were saying.
I didn't have shit on me. They just saw me stereotyped and I mean, I show and believe I can't do handstand and all. I'm in metro after so long.
Why are you so happy using the map?
Bro, vibes, bro.
Guys, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮೆಟ್ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಗೈಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಮೆಟ್ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟನಲ್ ವಾವ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್
ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ
I don't know who he is. Bro, who's his daddy, bro?
That's my dad.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ ನೋ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಮ್
No, he's gone out. Protest over. Where are we?
We are at Indiranagar because we wanted to eat something. So from SV Road we
We
came.
want to eat sheik and some veal kebabs.
But this
But
guy-
that boy,
But this white
I'm competition ready guys
I'm going competition.
I'm
guy.
If I eat off
whitewash guy.
if I eat pattar ka gosht, then my stomach will become gosht ka pattar he's selling.
guys just tell me
The most blackest
I am
whitewash
comp ready
guy.
guys that's the thing about I'll tell you guys see when your friends are doing this kind of shit to you always stay with your roots
Roots. Katala சாப்பிட்டு fruits.
last year na panna don't include this in the vlog
Boss, this is going on the vlog. I'll mute your. Oh,
You want to go to Leon's Burger?
Do you want to go to Leon's Burger?
come
Come Leon.
I've eaten Leon's only twice now it's third
I've never eaten.
Truffles.
hey I had truffles today only.
So what?
So
You
what?
had.
We will
Well,
have-
majority. Who wants to go to Truffles?
actually
Come now.
One ticket taken.
there is what is this buffalo wild wings here
Money your grandpa gave.
Right to use, but you can never get it. Like you can never get over it, or over her or over him. But you don't see a future. Okay, there's no future, but somehow you still have little bit feelings towards them. Who's yours in this?
That is that. But I think because of that only, my talking skills did not go well.
Because you're thinking about her.
Yeah.
You were like, oh, that was nice.
It was not nice or not nice. It was just that, you know what I mean. I just liked her too much.
It's showing down now. Yeah, I know you're tall, okay, chill.
Diggy doggy.
What's his name? Her name? Louis?
Joy. He's a guy. Vloggy.
Whoa! Wait, hey! Put him mic.
Vloggy.
Yeah.
I can't do bro.
Now my bro will do, and then he'll tell, I can't eat burger because my leg was cramped.
Vloggy vlog. What the fuck?
Yeah, I had to cut a bill off. Yeah.
Vloggy vlog.
But she's okay.
Baddie, bro. Fucking baddie.
We'll climb there. There is empty.
Help me, not
Go. Yeah, bro. Mike. Bro, even mine is white. I can wash that shit.
I just was fresh out the wash today. After washing at least 2 times.
Go da. Why are you here? My god.
Put one jump da. Oh, man.
What would you say to Abel who's gonna see this in the edit?
Abel, you're doing great.
You have to say something like that. Everybody says that shit to him. You should say something unique. Unique, you say something.
Yeah, that's kind of hot. Kinda like you.
Anything else? No?
Dude, his dad watches all his vlogs with his mom.
Whoever stops first is gay.
Because we're not stopping. I can go the whole day. Like,
Yeah, you also sit here.
I can do this like it ain't nothing. But sorry, Marlon. Oh, he stopped. He stopped.
Anyway, people think me and someone are dating.
yeah, you will.
Yeah, bro.
Food is over, guys. I actually.
It's so sad with all of us.
Her body, oh, hey, she just wanna bowl and he don't drink it, yeah, hey, he drink it. Whoa.
Now tell them what we're doing. Guys, now
We are jogging back to my house.
and then home. Now we're in Leon's in Indanagar. From here one jogging scene. And then we're gonna go back home.
Jog.
Next
As
time,
Abel would say.
the next time you'll see the three of us together will be on Beyond Burger.
Oh, I thought you'd say my competition.
Have you guys been to a jog?
Wow.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Compy.
He's wantonly taking it slowly.
Yeah, wantedly. 2 fingers I can't use.
Want me to die? Okay, give me one time.
We're going to jog to Neo's house and track it on Strava.
You don't know me, son. Get it. 18. You don't know me, son. Get it. 19. You don't know me, son. Yeah.
Passing.
Post runs.
That's the thing. When you run, this is the runner side. The runner side.
Super. beautiful.
Very hot.
Over.
Hey, the ice is just dripping now.
Sit down there.
I got all this ice on my wrist. What am I to do about it?
Guys, the vlog is over. Thank you for watching.
Vlog. Whoa!
If anyone wants to buy me an iPhone, get me any iPhone with like 512 GB or like 1 TB. Hit me up if you want to buy me an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye.
See you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and blessings.
Nico, say bye means.
Bye bye.